Diego's Railroad Rescue. Play! Welcome to the Animal Rescue Center. From here, we ride the rescue train to take animals home all over the world. Will you help me take home all of the animals today? We need to help animals onto the train. Will you help me find the right boxcar for them? First, look at the animals that we need to get ready. Then, look at the boxcars. Which boxcar looks most like their home? Each boxcar also has a matching animal picture on it. Find the one that looks just like the animal we want to load. We need to help the white-tailed deer onto the train. Will you help me find the right boxcar for them? Now we have to make sure we have the right number of animals in each boxcar. To load the animals, just click on the animal and then click on the boxcar to get them loaded. We need to load 2 white-tailed deer into the boxcar. 1, 2. Good job. We need to help the emperor penguins onto the train. Will you help me find the right boxcar for them? We're almost ready for the trip. Let's get the animals into their matching box. 1, 2, 3, 4. Muy bien. We need to help the tapirs onto the train. Will you help me find the right boxcar for them? We're almost ready for the trip. Let's get the animals into their matching boxcars. 1, 2. Excelente! All the animals are loaded up. Let's take them back to their homes. Oh no! Look at the train tracks. The Bobo brothers have been playing with the train tracks, and now they're all messed up. We need to put the train tracks back together. Click on the train tracks to turn them in the right direction and make the track line up. When you're ready, click the go button and the train will head down the tracks to bring the animals home. We need to bring the tapirs back to their home in the cloud forest. But the Bobo brothers messed up the train tracks. Let's put the tracks back together. It fits! Great job, Animal Rescuer. It fits now. Fantastico! We got the tapirs home. These white-tailed deer need to go back to their homes in the forest. Let's get the train ready to go. We're almost there. Let's get going. Great! Let's get going. It fits! Fantastico! We got the white-tailed deer home. These emperor penguins need to get to the ice coast where they live. Let's take the train back. Great job, Animal Rescuer. It fits. We're almost there. Let's get going. Great. Let's get going. It fits. Great job, Animal Rescuer. It fits now. Fantastico! We got the emperor penguins home. You're a great animal rescuer. Thank you for all of your help. Gracias.